Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to talk about how to export content today into the actual website. It's going to be a pretty straightforward video, and as you'll notice, I have pulled up here, I already have the dual screen. Okay, so go ahead and do that. We are literally going to just take the content that's written over here and we're going to paste it into the website over here. It's very straightforward, so it's not going to take long at all. Okay, so go ahead and go to the website and click on Edit with Cornerstone. Okay. And one thing to keep in mind is this website uses responsive design. So what does that mean? That means that it is going to size itself according to what the screen size tells it to. So if I were to shrink this, this goes into, see how that shrunk it and put it into one straight column? Okay. If I make it wider, it goes to two columns. Okay, so just keep that in mind whenever you're doing dual screen. Depending on your screen size, that could change it a little bit. Just make sure that you are pasting into the correct places. And this, the content layout for the Google Doc is literally designed to go distinctly into the website one by one. Okay, so as we go down this list, you'd go down and fill this out. Very straightforward. Okay. All right, so we're literally just going to take this. We're going to copy it. And this is already pretty much done, but I just want to show you how it would be done. You're going to copy that, and you would click over here to the custom headline. You would Command A and Command V, or Control A and Control V for paste. Control A selects all. Okay, so now we go here, copy, and paste. Okay, so real quick, make sure that you are saving this as you go. It's right here is the button to save. Okay, so you just go ahead and click it. It's going to come up with some neato, cool. Okay, so just make sure you're doing that just in case you lose Wi-Fi or you lose something. Just get in the habit of doing that every 15, 20, 25 seconds. You can pretty much do it if you want after every single time you paste this stuff in. So if I click this, top rated, clicked in here, next time I put a space in there that shouldn't be there, and then hit save. So it's automatically saving that. I could go through here, copy that, paste this into here. Make sure that if you're going to paste into a text element like this, it needs to be pasted inside of the visual box and not the text box. The text box is HTML code. So if I were to paste that in here like that, we're going to lose all the formatting. Okay? If we paste into the visual, we're going to keep the formatting and it's going to roll that out. So you can actually use the formatting from your Google Doc and it will export it to the website as long as you're pasting inside of the visual box and not the text box. Okay, so I'd go ahead and hit save and then I would just keep on going. And in the next few videos, we're going to show you how to find these images and how to optimize them. But that pretty much does it for this one. Last thing I'll show you is how to get to the next page. So I could click on this, and if you look down in this corner, as I highlight over that, watch this. It's going to come up with a little black bar that says, that has that /about at the end. Here's a shortcut. So if I go up to my URL right now, it has .com/?. In between the / and the question mark, you can put the title of the next page and then another /. And you can either do about, and the way that I found that was right here. So I hovered over that, that's about. Services, I could go up here and type in services. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because it's a shortcut. This is automatically going to open up Cornerstone in my next window. Instead of having to go to that page or go back to the dashboard, edit with Cornerstone, I can just automatically go in here and I can just go in there, type in services, and that's going to open up Cornerstone in the services page. Okay? All right, so the last thing I'm going to say here is the address at the very bottom here. This would be on the contact page. The address will already be written in here for you. So this is the information for this specific pool cleaning company. You will need to fill this out, the city 1, city 2, city 3, but whenever you're filling this out, this will already be here. If it's not, get with your supervisor to make sure that you get that address because that's very important to get in here. So, if I was typing this over, this is Contact Overland Park Painting, This would actually be, oh, whoops, we're gonna go up here. This is this, contact, this should be Overland Park pool cleaning actually. Overland Park pool cleaning, and then send us a personal message at poolcleaningkc@gmail.com. So I click in here, click on the email, highlight over that, and paste into there. And then the phone number, I'm going to click on this again, and then I'm going to click on the phone number. Call us today, I'm going to click on that. Perfect. Okay, and then the address. I'm going to make sure we get that whole address in there. And what we're going to have to do with this is we have to use a line break. So less than sign BR, greater than sign is a line break. So what does that mean? So I'm going to paste this in, and it's going to go all in one line. Okay, so see, like, it's kind of messing it up a little bit. We have to put a BR after every single point that we want to take a new line. Okay, so right here I would type in less than sign BR, greater than sign. Okay, and then I would go here. This is where we want the next line. And then the next, right here is where we want the next one. And then that does it. Okay, so if I went in and hit save, and I'm going to click on this home button, and then with my finger on command or control, I'm going to hold that down, I'm going to click. And this is going to open up the actual live page. So now you can see that our address is all listed in a perfectly neat row. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so that pretty much does it, and we're going to cover some more information in the next video. All right, thanks, and see you then.